India is a nation on the move, a country bustling with energy and ambition. Our economy is growing rapidly, with new businesses emerging and existing ones expanding at an unprecedented rate. To achieve our ambitious goals, we need strong and reliable infrastructure. Infrastructure includes roads, railways, airports, ports, power plants, and digital networks. These elements form the backbone of our nation's development. These are essential for the smooth flow of goods, services, and people across the country, ensuring that everything runs efficiently. A robust infrastructure allows businesses to transport goods efficiently and reach their customers without delays. It also attracts foreign investment, bringing in capital and expertise that further fuel our growth. India has made significant progress in recent years, with numerous infrastructure projects completed. We have built new highways, expanded our railway network, and modernized our airports to meet global standards. However, much more needs to be done. The journey is far from over, and we must keep pushing forward. We must continue to invest in infrastructure to keep pace with our economic growth, ensuring a prosperous future for all. By building a strong foundation today, we pave the way for innovation, education, and a thriving economy tomorrow. The Indian government recognizes the critical role of infrastructure in driving economic growth. It has made massive investments in this sector. One such program is the National Infrastructure Pipeline, or NIP. This ambitious plan aims to invest over 100 lakh crore rupees in infrastructure projects. The NIP covers sectors like energy, transportation, irrigation, and digital infrastructure. The government has also introduced policies to encourage private sector participation. These efforts are yielding positive results. India has witnessed a significant increase in infrastructure investment. Investing in infrastructure is about building a better future for all Indians. It's not just about roads and bridges. It's about creating a foundation for sustainable growth and development. It creates jobs, boosts productivity, and attracts investment. When we build new infrastructure, we are laying the groundwork for a thriving economy. New highways create jobs for construction workers, engineers, and other professionals. These projects provide employment opportunities and help develop skills that are essential for the future. It reduces transportation costs for businesses, making them more competitive. Efficient transportation networks mean goods can move faster and cheaper, benefiting both businesses and consumers. Improved infrastructure enhances connectivity, making it easier for people to access education, healthcare, and other services. This connectivity is crucial for the overall well-being and development of communities. A robust infrastructure is essential for attracting foreign investment. Investors look for stable and reliable environments where their investments can grow. Investors prefer countries with reliable power supply, efficient transportation networks, and modern communication systems. These elements are the backbone of a strong economy. By investing in infrastructure, we create an environment conducive to business and investment. This, in turn, leads to economic growth, job creation, and a better quality of life for all citizens. In today's digital age, access to the internet and digital technologies is a necessity. Digital infrastructure is crucial for India's economic growth and social progress. The Digital India program aims to transform India into a digitally empowered society. This includes expanding broadband connectivity to rural areas and promoting digital technologies. A strong digital infrastructure will enable us to deliver government services online and improve healthcare and education. The Indian government has undertaken several ambitious infrastructure projects. These projects cover transportation, energy, and urban development. The Bharatmala Pariyojana aims to develop around 83,000 kilometers of national highways. This project will enhance connectivity and boost economic growth. The Sagarmala program focuses on port-led development, modernizing ports, and developing coastal economic zones. The government is also focusing on developing inland waterways, high-speed rail corridors, and dedicated freight corridors. India has made remarkable progress in developing its infrastructure. The Golden Quadrilateral Highway project has transformed road transportation. The railway sector has witnessed significant modernization. High-speed trains like the Vande Bharat Express have improved passenger experience. The government is focusing on electrifying the railway network. The aviation sector has also grown exponentially, making India the world's third-largest domestic aviation market. The government is modernizing airports and expanding air connectivity to smaller cities. Developing world-class infrastructure requires significant financial resources. The Indian government has adopted a multi-pronged approach to finance its infrastructure ambitions. This includes budgetary allocations, public-private partnerships, and funding from multilateral development banks. Public-private partnerships have emerged as a crucial model for infrastructure development. The private sector brings in expertise and financial resources, while the government provides policy support. Multilateral development banks have been active partners in India's infrastructure development journey. India's infrastructure journey is a continuous process. The government remains committed to investing in infrastructure to sustain high economic growth. The focus is on creating a future-ready infrastructure that is sustainable and inclusive. Developing smart cities is a key focus area. These cities will leverage technology to improve urban services and enhance the quality of life. The government is promoting the development of industrial corridors along major transportation routes. Sustainability is at the heart of India's infrastructure development strategy. Infrastructure is also about creating a better quality of life for all citizens. Social infrastructure, including healthcare, education, housing, and sanitation, is crucial for human development. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana aims to provide affordable housing to all by 2022. The government is focusing on improving healthcare infrastructure, particularly in rural areas. The Ayushman Bharat scheme provides health insurance coverage to over 100 million families. In the education sector, the government is investing in building new schools and promoting digital literacy. As India continues on its path of rapid economic growth, the need for sustainable development becomes increasingly important. It is crucial to ensure that development is sustainable, balancing economic progress with environmental preservation. The government is committed to developing infrastructure that minimizes the impact on the environment, ensuring a greener future for the next generations. India has set an ambitious target of achieving 175 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2022, a goal that reflects its dedication to renewable energy. The government is providing incentives for the installation of solar panels, making it easier for households and businesses to adopt solar energy. Additionally, it is promoting wind energy projects across the country, harnessing the power of wind to generate clean electricity. The government is also focusing on developing energy-efficient buildings which consume less power and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and promoting electric vehicles to cut down on fossil fuel use. By adopting sustainable infrastructure practices such as eco-friendly construction and green urban planning, India aims to reduce its carbon footprint significantly and create a cleaner, healthier environment for all its citizens. This holistic approach to development ensures that economic growth does not come at the expense of the planet. India's impressive economic growth has made it an attractive destination for foreign investment. The government has taken several steps to attract foreign direct investment in infrastructure. Several countries have shown keen interest in investing in India's infrastructure sector. These partnerships bring in financial resources and technological expertise. Attracting foreign investment in infrastructure is crucial for India to achieve its growth targets. India aspires to become a $5 trillion economy. To achieve this goal, it is imperative to have a robust and modern infrastructure. The Indian government's focus on infrastructure development has positioned India as a global leader. As India continues to invest in its infrastructure, it is poised to unleash its true economic potential. By building a world-class infrastructure, we will create a brighter future for all Indians.